Hey, what's up everyone? Hey, thanks for tuning in for another episode. As I said, we have two new projects that we picked up. There was a bad storm last night, so don't mind all the pines all over the cars. But these two look immaculate. But hey, enough talking about it. Let's actually check out the cars. So here is our first car. This is a 2001 Nissan Sentra. This thing is in great shape, guys. Minus the one thing that the owner did not complete himself. Let me go ahead and open up the hood here so you guys can check it out. 1 second. There we go. Look at that. See something missing here? Oh no. So he went ahead and took everything off the transmission, like everything. And this is how I got the car. He even threw in a transmission. So I was like, all right, yes, we're going to get this thing done. I'm going to flip this car. And if you know anything about the Nissan Sentra, again, this is a 2001. This is the 2.0. Okay, not the 1.8. Everyone loves driving the 1.8, but does not drive the 2.0. The 2.0 has a different engine, a different transmission, and he picked up the engine for the 1.8 liter engine. So I have another transmission that I have to sell and get rid of because I don't just keep random parts around. I ain't got storage like that. But the new transmission's like $700, so I'll have to pick that up. You see right here, the headlights will need just cleaned off. It looks like they're hazing just a little, but those are scratches, guys. That's nothing. I'll show you an awesome way how to clean those up. Fog lights, all right, we'll clean them up. We got a little bit of scratching there on the side, which we'll take care of. There's paint chips and stuff. We'll go ahead and take care of that. If you see all the paint, he didn't do much to it, so we're gonna really clean this thing up. Yeah, we're just looking at really cleaning this up, guys. I mean, it's just dirty. We need we got sunroof up here, which it doesn't seem like it leaks, which is really nice, but we have this smoker package on it with the little sun visors, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the one up here too, see if we can catch a nice one on Amazon or Rock Auto or something pretty cheap. This is sad. It's not that dirty, so won't have to steam clean it, but we will have to vacuum it out like crazy. So, really cool. It doesn't have a battery, so I cannot pop the trunk at the moment, but I will have that open for when we're doing the repairs for you guys. Of course, the guy left his plates on. Thing doesn't drive, so I had to tow it over here, and he didn't even take the plates. He was heading off to California, so he threw in a free engine to this thing, which I had that engine sold within an hour of getting the car back to the house. The engine was for an Acura RSX, so it wasn't a full engine, it was just a case. It looked like he was stripping it down to powder coat it. So someone picked it up real quick for $100. I picked up the Sentra for $500 with the engine coming off. That knocks it down to $400. He even threw in a tool cart, which isn't too bad. It's used. It looked like he kept it out in the rain, so I'm sure after I repaint it and recondition it, it'll actually look pretty nice. So all right, onward to the next project, guys. This right here is our new project, which our baby boy Xavier loves playing in the new car. As I said, don't mind the hold on. All right. Here you go. Here you go. Open that up for you. There you go. Go ahead and climb in. Hey, he loves pretending like he's driving. Look at that. He likes helping Daddy out. So, be careful. Oh, you gonna play in the glove box? See him, guys? Oh, too cute, bud. Too cute. Alright, oh, also, that Nissan Sentra does not have more than 150,000 miles on it, so that's really nice. The Ford Taurus is the same. It doesn't have over 150,000 miles either. Overall, in nice shape. I picked this one up. This is a 2003 Ford Taurus SES with the single overhead cam, non-flex fuel. Okay, this is not the flex fuel engine. The problem we're having with this one is the timing. So we got the timing already off. As you see right here, guys, we're needing a new gasket. This thing is so brittle. That's just begging for a leak. You see right down here, I'm gonna take you guys in. Let me know if let me know. Just like the video if I need any lighting. No, that's a joke, guys. No, I'd hate it if the video didn't have enough lighting. Jeez. Alright, so down here's your oil pan gasket. Okay, with it being open, I'm gonna go ahead and change that oil pan gasket, change the timing cover gasket as well. It already has a new water pump on there, so I didn't even take the water pump off to get this thing off. But the bad part we're having is this guy, he overheated the engine so much that it popped 3 freeze plugs out of the engine. One on the right side, one on the back side, okay, and one on the front side. If you guys know anything about freeze plugs were put there not only so the engine doesn't freeze, but when they're casting the engine, they fill the freeze plug channels with sand. That way the heat doesn't bother the actual molding, okay? And then when they're done molding it, they take the covers off the freeze plugs, which the freeze plugs are these right here, okay? These little caps that seem really aggravating to put in there. This one isn't. This one's not too bad because all you'd have to do is move the alternator and the stuff that's right here usually, right? These aren't too bad. The one in the front wasn't too bad. It was right behind the exhaust manifold. But the one on the right side, I actually have to pull the engine or drop the transmission because it is in between the engine and the transmission. And no, I'm not talking about that one right there. Okay? You guys don't see it with it being so dark. There's one right there. It's not that one. It's actually in between the transmission and the engine. So it's going to be a lot of fun. But let me show you the inside of the Taurus because it actually looked not bad. No, yeah. So we'll again have to clean it, armor all it, make it look really nice at the end. The wheels are all right. The brakes are all right. They're all working good. As you see with the headlights, again, we'll have to dress the headlights up, clean them up. Hold on. Did you lock yourself out again? Huh? What? Stop messing with your diaper, you weirdo. All right. All right. So, guys, here, that is both the new projects. Let me go ahead and show you the 2014 Town and Country that we have. My wife actually said she wants the hitch put on the back of the Town and Country. See, real nice, not too bad. actually going to be doing this in the very near future, is these sidings. Well, of course, we need to replace, but we're going to replace those with a nice black piano covering that is a high gloss. So it's going to look really nice. But the tires will need replaced on that really soon. But she is wanting the hitch on the back, so we're going to put that there. We're going to wire in the wiring harness to the taillights. We're also going to go through the tow capacity of this vehicle, because I mean that's really important to know, guys, especially if you're going to be towing a lot. And since we're moving so much right now, it's really important to actually know your tow capacity, so you don't mess up the frame of the vehicle you're towing with, or you don't mess up the trailer that you're towing. It's one thing after another, guys. But that is the town and country we have. Guys, stay tuned. There's a lot of stuff that we actually have to do before we do these swaps. I gotta go into the Taurus with the borescope, check those valves, make sure they're not damaged, especially if the guy was driving the vehicle with bad timing for a while. Because if that timing's messed up, your exhaust and your intake valves are going at different rates, so they might go off of timing and then hit the piston. So I definitely don't want that. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna look with the borescope. That will be a video as well, because I have a borescope that actually does video. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys.